Hey guys, so today I'm going to be styling this wig by Modern Show Hair Company, and they sent me this Waterwave 24-inch. I glued this to my head off camera just because I didn't want to mess up on the lace or anything, but I'm just showing you guys how I pretty much lay everything down with the hot comb and also with the baby hairs and stuff like that. You know, it honestly was a really fast process because I already bleached the knots, everything kind of already looked a bit seamless for me, and I'm just using this razor comb that I got from Daiso, and I'm just making myself some really cute Sailor Moon bangs, but instead this is going to be a curly version of that. And I ended up having a really cool 70s look. Now, the great thing about having a wig like this is that you don't have to curl the entire thing. You can just use a small curling iron. This is like a 1/2 inch barrel. And just curl the top layers and then you're good to go. Like, that's literally it to this tutorial. But I'll just have you guys watch me do the rest of this hair.
Pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up.
Yeah, so I obviously could have curled more hair, but I'm gonna leave it at that. I think it just looks cute the way it is. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit from a Modern Show Hair Company. Okay, yeah, so I originally got this in a 24-inch, which I ended up kind of cutting down a little bit. I pretty much layered this. But yeah, it is a Waterwave 13x4 lace. Thankfully this one has lace, so y'all can go ahead and still like customize it if you want to, which is what I did. I also bleached the knots to this unit, so that's why you can, like, if you go through the hair, you can kind of see like there's scalp going on, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the price of this wig is going to be $304.69. It doesn't say the density, but from what I'm feeling, it's around maybe 130%. Like, it doesn't feel like there's that much hair for it being a curlier wig. Maybe 130 to 150 is the percent of the unit. I think the best thing that I like about this wig though is just how the lace is. I just think it looks pretty natural. I obviously could have done more plucking here, but I just don't want to do any more. I think because I have bangs especially, that I'm gonna be leaving it. But the hair takes really, really well to heat. I've already straightened this hair once and it took really well. And also, like, once you put water back in it, it just like all scrunches that back together and it just looks really nice and shiny. I think that this is just a super cute unit. I love like really big fall hair, big winter / fall hair. For me, I think that this looks really cute for like Instagram photos. I'm wearing my like nice brown coat with this. Kind of reminds me of, like, if you go to the Style Nanda website right now, they have the Mickey Mouse collection, which I haven't bought. I don't feel like buying it because it looks kind of ashy to me, so I'm not gonna probably purchase anything. We'll see. But it looks like the promotion photos for that, so that's why I went ahead and got this. And I'm wearing my cherry earrings. Yeah, this is just a really good wig. I think as far as shedding, it was pretty minimal. Way that the wig was kind of styled from the beginning was kind of awkward for me because like the hair in the front was just all one length, so was the hair in the back, and so I couldn't really do too much. It was kind of just like all one length. So I would have honestly wanted more hair with that because of the style that I like with curly hair, but that's fine. I was able to still put more layers into it and like style it myself and make it look cute. And I feel like with Waterwave units, it's a lot easier to curl them yourself. If you want to just add a few curls here and there, you can kind of get that SZA looking style with a wig like that. For this, if you just like brush everything out and then put in a few curls, it just honestly blends really well together. The construction, again, is a 13x4. I think that's it for this video. I already took some pictures outside just now, but I'm going to probably take some intro shots for this video. Yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. Thank you to Modern Show Hair for sending me this unit. I'm gonna put the links to this wig down below as well, so be sure to go ahead and check this Waterwave unit out, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.